Are you taking any classes?
Yes, I'm taking a photography course.
Have you sent the email?
Yes, I sent it earlier today.
How long have you been learning to drive?
I've been learning for a few months.
Does he travel often?
Yes, his job requires a lot of travel.
Is she writing a new book?
Yes, she's working on her second novel.
Have they been to that concert?
No, they couldn't get tickets.
How long have you been cooking?
I've been cooking since I was a child.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love trying different spicy dishes.
Are you working on the project?
Yes, I'm just finishing the final touches.